Hello, good morning. We will make pancakes for
Hello.
breakfast. Okay. Ito. Nagawa tayo ng pancake para sa ating apo. So you need 1 pack of pancake mixture. So then, wala tayong then just the pork. Ito na lang. Wala po kasing panghalo. Ito na yan. And then we need get one egg.
1 egg?
Then 1 cup of, half cup of water. Yes. Half cup of water. Yan lang po yan. Kasi ready mix na po yung ating pancake. So, we need 1 egg. Get an oil.
Oil? Okay.
Mix lang po tayo. Kasi ako ko nagpapagawa ng pancake. Dapat na yun.
Hello.
Okay, say good morning.
Good morning.
And we need 3 tablespoons of oil. Baka ng oil.
Dito. Pababa ko pa yung bigaan dito?
Hindi.
Hindi na?
Okay, mix.
Goodbye.
Mix it.
Okay. Hello.
Hello. May pancake. Hello.
Okay, I'm making pancake.
Hello, we're making pancakes
For my breakfast.
for myself. For my breakfast. Let's go and mix together.
Mix it properly.
Hmm?
Properly mix.
And then we add the Nutella.
No, it's inside.
When will we add this?
Well cooking.
Well, cooked.
Yan po. Mix na lang natin. Kasi gusto daw nila ng pancake. It's ready to cook.
You cooked it already?
It's ready to cook, I said.
Oh.
Yan po. Ready na.
Press and then spin.
Yes. It must be slowly cooked. We will put kangpan. Yan po, lulutuin na po natin yung ating pancake for the apo.
Apu, apu, apu.
No, yan na po. Nilagay na po natin yung ating pancake dito.
A bit bigger. A bit bigger.
We'll put Nutella on the
Inside.
you get the report. No, you got the other one.
Which one?
This one there.
Oh.
Come on, hurry. Ha? Alin? Ang dami. Ang dami na kasi yung puti. Wala. Mabuti na nga yun dati. More pancake for you. Ayan po. Nakain siya ng pancake. May palamang na Nutella. It's yum? Hmm?